Hi guys, this is the ABUS 9050 TITALIUM. Very nice lock. I've got this lock in the ABUS 9050 non-titanium stainless steel. This one is a 6-pin padlock compared to the 5-pin stainless steel model. To be fair, I found this bit of a challenge to pick to begin with, because I just couldn't get the feel for it for some reason, but we're going to give it a go, give it a crack. Okay. Okay, yeah, it is kiwi titanium. I'm going to be using the surfboard short hook. To be honest, I've really got into these picks for surfboard. What I'm going to do is, there we go, just wiggle it about and I've got into the full set there. So once I've got this full set, touch pin 4 and it dropped even more. All I'm doing is wiggling it and trying to get onto the next binding pin, which is a counter rotation, because this is full of spools in this. There we go, that was pin 5 I believe, pin 6. I'm just going to even deeper full set there. There's like pin 2. Yep. It's turned up the core and the 12 o'clock position there. It's going through the pin stack, just trying to find a binding pin which wants to be picked, counter rotation. It feels like pin 4. There we go. That's just dropped even further there. Just checking all the pin stacks. Find the next counter rotation. Sometimes you find 1 or 2 pins and giving counter rotation. The trick is just to find one what's giving the most. Pin 1. Yep. Just checking the stack again. There we go. Cheers guys.